Third one, write a Python program to write a list a file. Okay, we are writing not a list string. Okay, write a list a file or string whatever. Write list or string whatever. So we have to write some text to the file. Simple words. Okay, so we have to write some text to the file here. So for that, just write some string here. String is equal to, this is in write mode. Write mode. Open with statement with open. Okay, and write dot text here. Okay, new file this one. And write mode you are writing w. Okay, w as f, simple as f. Okay, and for c in str means all, so c in str f dot write method. Okay, write method, write file you have to use write method here. Okay, write method returns integer. Okay, f dot write c, simple one. If you want you can check it, execute it now. Just open write as well. See, this is in write mode. Okay, so in write mode, suppose if you return another text something like that, this is write mode, another one like this, simple another one, so it replaces the already present string here. Okay, so just check here, execute the output here. See, this write mode another one, so like that one. Okay, so write text replaces the already existing strings in the file here. So write method used to write the string to the text, write any string to the this text file, write.txt here. Okay.